Now let's talk about how to migrate your BEP to assets to BEP20 using the Trust Wallet. Mobile app. Start by opening your Trust Wallet app, and from your main wallet screen, select the BEP to asset you want to migrate. Once you're on that asset's detail page, tap on Swap. Next, choose Swap to BNB Smart Chain. This option lets you move your tokens from the BNB Chain BEP to over to the BNB Smart Chain BEP20, which is what most decentralized apps use today. To swap your full balance, tap Max, then hit Continue. Review all the details carefully, make sure the amounts and network look correct, and when you're ready, tap Confirm to start the migration. After a few moments, the transaction will complete, and your tokens will appear as BEP20 assets in your wallet. And that's it! You've successfully migrated your BEP2 tokens to BEP20 using Trust Wallet. Just a quick note, if you still have other BEP2 tokens left on the Beacon chain, simply repeat these same steps for each one.